Alright, you know what I would like to do this episode? I would love to finish Victory Road. But, you know, Victory Road always takes probably a few parts. I don't know, how many was it in Fire Red? I really don't know. I'll have to remember or I'll have to check. Okay. I did one of those things where I took a look ahead at what this girl's Pokemon was, so I wouldn't get it wrong. I didn't want Crobat for this. Copy ass. I want Crobat now. Duh. I didn't want Crobat before. Alright. So, I think I've decided on whether I want to use the rare candies or not. And I think I'm going to use them, because there is really no use. I want everyone up to level 50, so this is what I think. I'm going to use a couple. Not all of them. I'm going to use a few of them. The people who don't make it to level 50, I'm not going to train them up. So, too bad. I'm going to use rare candies. Here's what I'm going to do now. So, yeah. Oh, man, that guy's just a jerk. See, yeah, that's jerkish right there. And then you know what it loves to do? It loves to just spam flamethrower. Well, this is good for me because special defense, awesome. Oh, quick attack. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. What? How did I attack first now? Jeez. Now, I like it when my Quick Claw comes into effect all the time. And of course, I like you because, you know, you don't hurt yourself most of the time. I was thinking, Doctor. Remember, he's a doctor. He's better than me. Oh, yeah, no cheers. I think we figured that out by now. Okay, here's where the waterfall comes in. Well, actually, no, that's not the waterfall. But you can go up here and get one of my favorite teams in the game, Team Psychic! Yay, Team 29 Psychic. Can anybody on my team even learn Psychic? Can they? No. Nope, nobody's in with Psychic. Which is a bummer, because I usually don't have too many. Whoa, where'd you come from? Yeah, where'd you come from, man? Jeez, you just appeared out of nowhere. You're just like, hey! Kick her out, eh? I think I want to make this thing ice type. I want to make you ice type. Hopefully I can freeze you. That'll be better. Wow. That did almost nothing. Picklins aren't that strong either, are they? I didn't know they were. Oh no, that's not good at all. Time for the Bledge. That'll knock you out. And well, knocked a little bit of me out too. Yay, level up. Graveler. I can keep you right where you are. I ain't messing with Graveler. It's not that hard to mess with either. You just do this. You know, just pour a little bit of water on it, and I think it'll go damn easy. Even if you're using water gun or water pulse, it's still kind of nice. Now, Bubble, I'm not so sure about because it's not a very good move. Wailord? Did he just... Wailord? Well, I've never had a situation where this happens. God dang it, water types. Now, see, this is what I was afraid of. Well, luckily, Wailord is not the best of water types. It's pretty good, though. It's not bulky, actually. Its defenses aren't good at all. Its HP is huge. That's what makes it bulky, its HP. If it didn't have a bunch of HP, it would be pretty bad, because... honestly, Wailord's just bulky because of its HP big. Ha! Oh, full restores. They always have to come into effect. Always. But why? 2 bites in the face. Dead. Alright, Pulse. Just hit me. Don't confuse me. That annoys me. Okay. Wailord being the fattest Pokemon in the world. Why? Because it's like 40-something feet tall or whatever. I don't know, something like that. You don't want to take that way because that'll just lead you back. You have a nice double battle here. I'm not sure. I know one of the Pokemon's Medicham. I'm guessing. And I don't know who the other one is. Yeah, the Elite going to know the. Yeah, there's Elite Cool Trainers even. Even Cool Trainers are elite. They're not the Elite Four, but they're pretty elite. I'll tell you that right now. They're not bad. These Cool Trainers aren't bad. If you look at their levels, they're good, and they got some good Pokemon too. They don't mess around with it. Medicham, well, that might be pretty stupid, but I just hate Kaleido. I want to. Yes! Good. Hopefully, when he uses a full restore, which I guarantee that can. Oh! Skill swap. Who do you swap skills with? Why would you want to do that? Oh well, his decision. Any one of these coming, so. Crunching time! Take care of you. Alright. Now, let's hope we can actually get a crunch in there to kill it. What? What? Whoa. I'm expecting this. Now, if the other person has a Medicham, that's pretty messed up. Yay, level up. Yay, level up. Poison. I think I'll pass on Poison Fang. It's pretty good. It does badly poison them, but I'll pass. Oh, Lantern. Oh my goodness, another water type. Well, if I had Blaziken out here, you know what I would do. Alright, just because I feel like darn killing that Kaleido, I'm going to use Air Current just to get its HP down. Oh wow, I didn't want it down that much. Oh well. Nice overkill though. And now I gotta focus on Lantern. Whoa! Oh! What? Oh, yeah, that's right, Skill Swan. Duh. What was I thinking? I was like, wait, what? What are you talking about? That Earthquake is useless! Why did you use it? I can't think of a worse elite trainer than this one. They're saying they're all elite and awesome, but they use stuff like Earthquake that doesn't even affect you. Maybe the person wasn't even thinking. Besides, it was your Kaleido! He was Skill Swap anyway! What were you thinking? I just now realized that. I was like, what? Blaze, you're back up the front. You're the only survivor. You don't care. You're the only survivor left who's like painless right now. I must be getting a little tired. Yeah, having to go through trainers after trainers. You're not like that last time, are you? No. You are better than they are. I can just tell by this awesome looking at Skirmy's eyes. Golden eyes, it's just better. That doesn't mean it's better than Blaziken. I don't think anything's ever taken my Blaziken down before. It's almost impossible. Ooh, Sableye. You know, Sableye is almost impossible to kill. Now, on the other hand, Spiritomb, that's tough. Spiritomb and Sableye are the only two ones that don't have weaknesses without a first move usage. What I mean by that is, you can use something like a Machamp and use Foresight, so it loses its Ghost type ability, and then you can use Cross Chop and it'll super effectively, because now that it's lost its Ghost type, it is completely Dark type. So yeah, there's a way for Sableye to have a weakness, and Spiritomb, but never on the first move you could try. Unless, like, Foresight does carry over, so the only way possible is if it carried over. But yeah. Alright, here's where you want to get to. And just a little bit more to go, and darn it. Ha! I want to participate in that double battle. You didn't let me. Oh, jeez. What's up with these Sableyes nowadays? Come on, is Sableye a hit new thing? I don't think so. Sableye bores me. They give you, like, crappy amounts of EXP. Sometimes they're a pain to kill. See, 903, that's terrible. Absol, on the other hand, that's really good. Oh, the thing just, like, duplicated itself. That's cool. This is even cooler. Watch this. Aha! Where'd the Absol go? I don't know. It turned into my experience bar. Woo, wonderful! I know, isn't it awesome? Alright, so now I gotta face this guy. And why didn't I go in a double battle either? Oh, Lunatone. Oh no, I have nothing to kill this thing. Quickly, Blaziken, you must hide. Hide your awesomeness. Go! Now, Lunatones are pretty tough to kill too because their special defense is not good. Oh my goodness! Yeah, see, I was protecting that from happening to Blaziken. Jeez. Hopefully the Solrock doesn't do the same thing because I'm going to use a Hyper Potion now. I don't want any chances of me slower than the thing. There we go. So I did buy 20 of them. That's why I have them. I don't have them just to keep them and be like, no, I only need one. I only use them when I need to. Well, this is pretty much what I need to. Shadow Ball, I'm not concerned about that. Now that's I don't like. So gonna have to take you down for that. Okay, I'm faster than the Solrock. Now, what I wasn't faster than is killing it. Yes. So I would have killed it anyway. It wouldn't have mattered if I would have used the Hyper Potion and everything. I was just making sure on the safe side. You never know what could happen. Dr. Rabbit's not the fastest Pokemon in the world. You know. Hurry up. Hurry up. There's only one more floor left to go. There's only like 3 more trainers in the entire thing. Come on. Okay. You know what? We're going to save this last floor for next time. So, yep, next time it's finishing Victory Road. It's going to be a short episode because I'm not facing the right floor. So, yeah, finishing up Victory Road next time.